Let's make bakery-style strawberry muffins. You can substitute the strawberries for any fruit. This recipe makes 12 regular-sized muffins or 20 mini muffins. Starting with the batter, add 1 cup of flour, 6 tablespoons of sugar, 6 tablespoons of butter melted in the microwave, 1 whisked egg, buttermilk, which is half cup of milk plus half tablespoon of vinegar, one teaspoon of baking powder. Whisk until you can't see big lumps anymore. Set that aside and prepare the fruit. 5 large strawberries or 3/4 cup of fruit. Take off the stem, wash, and core the root out. Dice the strawberries into small cubes. Dry the strawberries with a paper towel so the water won't make the muffins soggy. I skipped this. Oops! Coat the strawberries in 1 tablespoon of flour. The recipe I followed says this will prevent the strawberries from sinking to the bottom of the muffin. I'm not sure how this works, but it worked. Fold in the strawberries until they're evenly spread throughout the batter. I'm using muffin liners, but you can also use oil. These liners are too tall, so I cut the edges into a square to look better. Scoop the batter into each muffin cup. Each muffin has about 2 tablespoons of batter. To make the crumble topping, add 1/4 cup flour, 1/4 cup sugar, a dash of cinnamon, and 2 tablespoons of cold butter cubes. Then add the crumble topping to the top of the muffin batter. I only put a thin layer on, so I still had a lot left. If you don't like crumble topping, I suggest cutting the topping recipe in half, or don't use it at all. Bake at 400 for 14 minutes and then lower the heat to 350 and bake another 23 minutes. It looks and tastes just like from the bakery. The strawberries give it an amazing texture and flavor. I definitely recommend trying this recipe.